Hello friends, so here we got another trigger task. In this task we are going to create a field on account called is gold. The field type will be checkbox and the default value will be off or false. Our assignment is whenever an opportunity is greater than 20,000, mark is goal to true. That means whenever the opportunity amount is greater than $20,000, so the related account field is gold should be set to true. So to achieve this requirement, we have to create a boolean value on account field, which I have already created. The custom field, the custom fields and mix it and select the checkbox as the data type. Okay, and set its default value to be false. So let's start with the developer console. I will start writing trigger on this. So whenever an opportunity is going to update, it should also update the account. Okay, so action will be performed on the basis of opportunity, so the trigger will be written on opportunity. So as object I have selected opportunity and the trigger name is update account field trigger. Submit. So this account field trigger is already created. Okay, no issue. So I'm going to change its name. I'm going to remove this trigger. Submit. Okay, so since we are going to make changes in another objects on the basis of this object, so we will create after trigger. So we get after that enter update. Okay, so first I will create a list of list accounts, new list account. Okay, it is now blank empty account list. Okay, I will create a set of id in set account ids in set account ID. So this set will be used to store the account IDs of the related accounts. Set to store account IDs of related accounts. Okay, then okay, start with a for loop. Right now I will store the related account IDs into that set. So opportunity ID object that dot colon trigger dot new. Okay, so now this object will have all the newly created and updated opportunity list. So set account ID as wait, okay, dot add obj dot account ID. So now this set is storing the IDs of all the related accounts. Okay, now I will also need a map of account of ID and opportunities. Okay, map account ID opportunity new map ID comma opportunity correct. Okay, so this map will be used to store related account ID and opportunity. Okay, so this map will be used to store the opportunity object as well as the related account ID. Okay, so I will fill this map also. For that I will write opportunity opportunity object trigger dot new, then copy the map name dot put, then object dot account id comma object. So uh, the key will be account id and related value will be whole opportunity object. So this is also done. Now now we got a set which is having the account IDs of all the related account, as well as we are having one map which is pointing about related opportunity according to account ID. So now we can start writing the main business logic. So create one more for loop, and here you can type account object. Here we will write a query select ID and is gold custom field from account where ID in set account IDs. So only the related accounts, those accounts which are parent to these opportunities will be queried, not all accounts. So here we will put a condition if, since we have to update account only whenever the opportunity amount is greater than 20,000. So we have to put the condition here also, if map id dot get object, since the account id is the key, so now we can fetch its related value dot amount is greater than 20,000, then object dot is field to be set to true, else it should be set to false. Okay, now I'm saving it. Okay, so now since this is, we are updating another object, so we have to create the list of the another object where we will add this object and insert that. So I have created an empty account list, so I will copy it, and here under the for loop I am adding it dot add obj, and after the, sorry, not here, and here, if the condition, if condition is true, then this the object will be added to the list accounts. In the else condition, it will also added to the list accounts. Okay, now I will wait a minute. Now I will after the for loop I'm going to upsert this list accounts. So there are no errors, so our trigger is right according to the syntax, but still we have to follow some best practices, like we have to put the if condition that only if list account dot size is greater than 0, then only this DML instruction should be executed, otherwise it will throw an error, null pointer exception error it will throw. And we have to put condition here as well, the trigger should only fire whenever the trigger is insert something we are inserting into the opportunity, or if we are updating the opportunity, and the logic should only fire in once the um, record has been inserted to the committed to the database. So is after. Now save in 12 line. Okay, so our trigger is now completed. Now let's, I have created an opportunity here, so I'm doing, wait, I will create now. Then I create test count 2. So from here I can add one opportunities. They should be test opportunity, close date today. Now I am putting amount 20,000. So since I am putting only 20,000, and the logic says that whenever it is more than 20,000, then that field should be checked. So let's see, it should be false now. Go to test account, new tab, let's see. Yes, it's going false. So our logic is going fine. Now let's update the opportunity, and I'm going to set the amount 20,001. Okay, it's more than 20,000. Now saving it. Let's see whether it's updated or not. It's $20,001. Now I'm refreshing it. See, now it's checked. So our target is working fine. And the account, whenever the opportunity field is set to opportunity amount is set to more than 20,000. Let's one more test. Let's decrease the amount to 10,000. Then now it should be false. This field should set to false. Now I'm refreshing it. Yes. So our trigger is working. So now we can say that our trigger is correct and it is also working. So that's it in this video. I will come with another trigger task very soon, and I will try to bring more complex problem next time. So stay tuned. Thank you.